been masses of times. I've only missed one or two.
It's truly international.
I came from Oman.
All the way from Mexico City.
We come from Adelaide.
This is the biggest show in Europe, you know.
It's the inspiration and the shopping.
Here, you're able to touch things and see the fabrics together.
And see what other people are doing and then get ideas and appreciate the wonderful work everyone does.
Everyone's so friendly.
I have entered, I think, nearly every year.
Anyone can enter and they'll hang every quilt, and you can see such a breadth of quilts and how different people interpret the category. I think is really cool.
See the work of different artists and using textiles in different ways.
I love it. I think it's super inspirational.
I think there's something for everybody.
You can take workshops. There's 400 workshops. It's unbelievable.
And then I went to the Lynn Edwards talk this morning, which was actually really lovely.
So many more quilts I want to make now. I'm going to have to live to 200.
It's just been one of the best festivals I've ever been to in my whole life.
I will definitely be back and I'm going to have a quilt.